Away they go. Show master from the outside. Don Ezekiel. Keyboy down on the inside. Dr. Choice sneaking by the rallies. Yes. Why not running in 6-4? Ever ranked 7th position. Sweet Julian. Sophia's Fury Euromax and Noble Quest is the elite trailer. Show master Don Ezekiel Keyboy Danori inside. Yes, why not racing forward by the Dr. Choice in the middle. Forever Young. Rushing up Sweet Julian. Rounding the far turn. Keyboy this time by some 3 lengths. Don Ezekiel in second. Show Master. Yes, why not Forever Young. Dr. Choice with Julian racing towards the last 450 and going to the long Santana stretch run with Keyboy by some 4 lengths. Yes, why not in second? Show Master Danori inside is Dr. Choice Forever Young. And nearing the finish line, Keyboy by some 4 lengths. Show Master. And nearing the finish line, Michael De Jesus on number 4, Keyboy. Second, Show Master, yes, why not Forever Young? Close, Dr. Choice with Julian, Euromax, Sophia's Fury, Don Ezekiel, Noble Quest.